for the win. Now we're up to 165. John Hoover for VMI competing with Noah Satterfield from Davidson. Satterfield, the senior from Marysville, Ohio. Hoover, the freshman from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This one absolutely crucial for Davidson. They need to get a win, probably a pinfall win, to get back in this match from a team perspective. Six of 10 matches in this duel.
Fix. Come on, John. Down here with it. Down here. There you go. Pull the trigger. Got it.
Hoover and Satterfield feeling their way out through this process. No scoring through the first minute of action in this match.
There it is, John. Use the underhook. Use it. You control it. Fight in. Go now, find something.
Still at even strength, these two. Really preventing either from going low.
Get to your tie-up.
And we're halfway through the first period. Still no scoring.
Your tie-up, Noah. Good. Use this.
All the action is up top. Haven't really seen any shoots for legs. Now maybe an effort there from Satterfield. Good defensive work by both. They jockey for position. And another break inside of a minute to go here in this first period. Still no scoring. Shoot for the legs. Good work there to get low by Satterfield to prevent the takedown. Great defensive work by both. We're inside of 20 seconds to go first period. A lot of work up top. Really not a lot of work on the mat from either because they've been so good up top, preventing each of the other from getting low, getting that leverage advantage. And that will end the first period. No scoring at 165 between John Hoover and Noah Satterfield. Again, a key match for Davidson in this team scoring. They're down 17-3 on the scoreboard. This is the 6th of 10 matches. In need of a win and probably in need of a big win here. Hoover with the advantage. If Satterfield's able to escape, he would get the first point of this match. Maintaining the advantage is Hoover. No points there. Get a look there at the VMI coach Jim Gibson giving instructions to his performer. Still no scoring. Hoover trying to maintain his advantage. A violation assessed against John Hoover. That'll give the first point of the match to Noah Satterfield for Davidson. So now a 1-0 advantage for Satterfield. And an escape and another point for Satterfield, so now a 2-0 advantage. Hoover goes for the leg. Can he complete a takedown or reversal? Doesn't look like he's going to get anything positive from the official in that respect. And the seconds are counting down. 4 seconds, there's a break. So no scoring there for either. And that will end the second period with Noah Satterfield of Davidson holding a 2-0 lead on John Hoover at 165. It would be incumbent upon Hoover from the VMI perspective to try to get an escape here early, get on the board, and make this a match from the scoring perspective. Not able to get himself out of the grasp, though, and now they roll out of play and will have to reset. So good work there by Noah Satterfield to maintain the advantage. Now we'll go back and restart. Hoover looking to get that escape and get on the board. Using his core strength, trying to power out of this. This is why you do squats in the off season. No scoring there. That's just Satterfield maintaining his control.
Get out.
Hoover trying to regroup. You see the clock ticking down. Out of play once again. They'll have to reset.
Hey, come on, let's go. Hey, keep on. Be a beast, you know, it looks good. You're out.
Still a 2-0 advantage. Hoover trying to get himself out of this, trying to power his way out. And referee calls for a break. Breaking the action. Once again, they go out of play. 2-0 lead still for Satterfield in this one. 18 seconds left on the clock here in the second period. Maintaining the advantage this whole period. No scoring there, but good work on the part of Satterfield. And he'll maintain a 2-0 edge into the... In fact, that is the final. So he'll maintain the 2-0 edge and win the match. And so a big win there for Noah Satterfield at 165. Makes the team score 17-6 VMI. And now we turn to 174. Neil Richards for VMI. Stephen Newell for Davidson. Newell, the freshman.